So the given sequence, we have 4, 7, 10, and 13. So what we're going to do is, we need to find the nth term of the sequence or the nth term formula of the given sequence. So what we're going to do, step 1, let us find first the a sub 1. That is the first term. 4, that is a sub 1. And then, how to get the common difference? Just subtract a sub 2 and a sub 1. So we have 7 minus 4. What is the answer? 3. Then after that, write the given formula. So we have a sub n is equal to, what is a sub 1? 4 plus n minus 1 times the common difference, 3. Then distribute the common difference by the given binomial. Okay, 3 times n. 3n. 3 times negative 1, negative 3. Then simplify. Do they have similar terms? What term? 4 and negative 3. So, brintan muna natin si 3n. Then, what is the sign of 4? Positive. Sign of 3? Subtract. 4 minus 3? 1. Then, what is the sign of the bigger number? Okay, positive 1. So, therefore, this is the general rule or the n-term formula.